What do we have here? The $100,000 MIT ACC 268 speaker cables. Yes, folks, you can actually adjust several things with these speaker cables. As you can see, the low, the mid, and the high frequencies can be adjusted, and there is something called 2C 3D on and off. So the articulation control console from MIT. This is supposed to be a revolutionary loudspeaker cable that I have never used, and I'm in the process of testing it with my beautiful Sonos Faber SC beryllium tweeter, carbon coated. This is a 7-inch mid-range driver. Stay tuned for more, guys. Please hit the like button.